Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. In today's video I will be showing two unique ways of making bottle art. First one is a basic one and second one is a colored one. Let's begin making these. For making this I am taking a glass bottle and some tissues and making glue and water mixture in 1:1 and then covering the bottle with this mixture and applying tissue paper on it so that we can get a base for our rope and clay work. If you are here for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notifications so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. After drying, it looked like this. Now I'm using some jute ropes and with the help of glue gun, I'm sticking rope vertically first, like so. After sticking rope vertically, I am sticking rope horizontally like so to make the desired design. Now I am making a mold for daisy flower. For this I have taken a metal sheet and twisting it in the shape of petal like so. And this become our mold for petals. Now I am rolling a portion of clay. Here I am using cold porcelain clay and by using this mold I am making petals like so. Rolling a small portion of clay and sticking these petals around this ball to make daisy flower, and using a needle to give some texture at the center. In the similar way I make more flowers and sticking it to the bottle with the help of white glue. After sticking all the flowers, this is how our bottle looks. Now I'm using water to remove this tissue paper with the help of a tool. I'm gently removing tissue paper only, not the glue. After removing all the tissues, this is how our bottle looks. Now using acrylic color in white shade to paint daisies. Using yellow acrylic color for painting center of the flowers. And this completes the first version of our bottle. And after putting some fairy lights, it looks so beautiful. Now for the second version, I'm painting the glass bottle with glass colors. I'm painting half bottle in red and orange shade and later half in blue and green shade. Here I'm mixing red, pink, yellow and orange color for the first part. Here using pink shade. Now creating orange shade, mixing tomato red and yellow color. When one side of the bottle is dried, then I come to the second part, and here I'm using blue and green shade for the second side. Making purple shade by mixing pink and blue. And after painting the bottle, this is how it looks. Tell me in the comment section below which one you like the most. I hope you guys love this idea of bottle art. Don't forget to comment below and give me a thumbs up. And subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.